The first thing that you're gonna do is you come here, you Google. But anyway, I'm gonna give you the link. You can go to the description of this video. The links will be there. You don't have just to Google it. Just press the link below there, and it takes you there. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to Veracity. Veracity. Here I'm going to home. I don't have to go through this process because I'll give you the link. You just do this. Bear with the music has been playing. So when you are here on top, sign up. Okay, can you see that I created this email and this everything? From there you have signed up. Remember the link that I'm gonna give you. So here you go to registration, individual. Yes, I want to register as an individual, not as a corporation. Let's say I'm calling surname Damini. Date of birth. Let me just put date of birth and say March. Let's say 24. I was going March 24. Yeah. Which year I was born? Last year? Let's say 19, because I'm old, I'm gonna say, what is this? Let's say 1990. Just make an example. This is for demonstration, guys. This is just for demonstration. 1919. The country, come here, the country, yes, let me search for South Africa. From South Africa. Okay, in my number is, which number I'm gonna use? I'm gonna use this number. Let me use the other number, man. Let me use the other number. Let me guess which number I can use, because I've used the other one for demonstration and I don't want to use this number, and they say this number is already existing. So let me just think which number I'm gonna use. Any number, man. 083 230 6980. 083 230 6780 is fine. I don't know this number, but anyway, it's fine. My email address is Zonkebona 2020. Here, accept. I'm above 18. Continue. Oh, Zonkebona. Oh, my email is not okay. At Gmail, man. At gmail.com. At gmail.com. I hope everything is fine now. I can proceed. So now they say here confirmation. We have sent you a confirmation pin to the email address we specified in the previous step. So now I have to go back to my emails and check the code. They have sent me a code. So I'm gonna go to my email, the email that they just sent me. When I open the email, there is a pin. Let me just copy it. Okay, there's a pin. I'm gonna just copy this pin. Copy. Go back to where I'm registering. Paste this pin. Press continue. I'm done opening an account, guys. I'm done being part. No, not I'm done as such, but there are some other steps that need to be followed here. So from here, you can just go to demo and open a demo account. But I want you to make things clear, that just to do everything accordingly. So here it says here, you have your work in a financial sector. No. Do you have any initial recognition qualification? No. How long have you been continuously trading in? Let's say I'm gonna say less than 1 year. In the last 12 months, I'm gonna say 3, because I know, guys, I know these things. In the last 12 months, please indicate the number of CFP trades you have executed. I'll say 3. It says that in the last 12 months, please indicate the number of CFP trades you have. Okay, say 3. In the last 12 months, please indicate the number. Say 3 again, and press continue. Okay. So now I'm here. It says monthly income. I'll say 20K. Just for demonstration, guys, I'll say 20K. Monthly expenses, I'll say 2,500. Absolute value of all saving, I'll say 1,000 rand. Absolute value of initial and further deposit at Veracity in the next 12 months, I'll say 5,000. Employment details, I'll say the Forex. Employment name, employment details, employment name, I'll say the Forex. Hey guys, when was that time? The Forex. Employment estimate annual turnover. I provide employment details, né? So why now? In the nature of business, I don't think I have to provide here employee name, because employment details. Employee. Let me just say employee here. So I'm supposed to say employee here. I'm an employee. Huh? Huh? Okay, let me say D Forex. Okay, let me say D Forex. I think I'm confusing myself here, but anyway, it's fine. I say okay, it says employee name or self-employed. Okay, I said D Forex. Okay, but there I was supposed to write something. Okay, D Forex. If self-employed estimate, no, okay, I'm not self-employed. Let me say I'm not self-employed. Nature of business title. Title of what? My employment or my tax. Okay, makes sense. Source of funds, salary. I say salary. Let me continue and see. Let's continue and see. Here, if self-employed estimate the turnover. I'm just estimating here. I say 20k. 20k. Finance. I'll say finance. Yeah. I normally play around with this thing till get to give me what I want. Okay. So I'll just continue here and see what's gonna happen now. Okay. Yeah. Approve. Yeah. Approve. So you play around, guys, with this because you saw what I did, man. So here you can upload your passport or your ID, and here you can upload your proof of address. Make sure when you upload your ID, make sure that it's clear. When you take a picture of your ID, you zoom in, everything you can see everything clear. Okay, so now if you want to open a demo account, so I can just go here to account, just here to accounts, go to open demo. Okay, open demo. So now I can come open demo account, and then after from here I'll choose MT4 demo. Leverage, I'll leave it to 1.500. A currency, I'll leave it to USD. You can change currency to ZAR, to rands if you want to. Let me leave it to ZAR because I want you guys to see this thing. Initial balance, how much I want to start with. Let me say 10,000. I'm making a demonstration, guys, just for you to see it. So here you choose how much you want to start with. A demo, guys, is a fake money. It's a fake money. It's a fake money. It's not money that you cannot withdraw. It's for you to see how the market goes. It's for you to practice with it. You practice with this money. It's a fake money. Okay. So the next thing is you go to continue. Like showing you all your details. Okay. Confirm. Hooray! My demo is done. So my demo is done. Your account, okay, has been successfully opened. So my duty is to take this login details, is to take it to my MT4. Is to take this to my MT4. And that's what in my MT4, I'm gonna log into my MT4 with this. Okay? I can take this to my MT4 to log in to my MT4 with these details. Okay? Let me go to my MT4 and log into my MT4 with this detail. I'll take this MT4. Let me copy this number. Copy just to my MT4 so I can log in. I'm on my MT4 now. I want to log. Okay. Copy this as well. Copy this password as well. Paste my password there. The demo. Okay, let me just log in. Share this with you. What I want to share this screen. So let me stop there and just share what I was doing there, so they can see. Because I believe you didn't see what I was doing there. So what I did is, I went to my MT4 here on the screen. I went to my MT. Remember, if you don't have trading platform, when you say download trading platform, you press here. Okay, you choose this one, MT4. This one is for PC, Windows. It's for PC, okay? For PC. For those ones who are using cell phones, you can just go to your Google Play and download it, okay? Good. So now I'm here. So now what I logged in, I put the number, that login number and the password, and I changed here. It was a server, and I changed to demo, and it was logged in. Just like that. Let me stop sharing the screen and go back to that one of Veracity, one of what I was doing there. Yeah. So guys, same thing applies when you open a demo. When you open what? When you open a live account. When you open a live account, you just go here. Press here. From there, go to MT4 standard. you choose here the currency USD, ZAR, GBP, quid. I'll just choose ZAR and continue. The account is open. Continue. This is a live account. The live account is open. When you go to account overview, you see your account. Both of your accounts are there. We have here, we have a demo account. To find the license here, say your profile has not yet been verified. So there are some functions may be limiting you. So which means you click here to add, because when you click here, it will show you that we have to add what? We have to add your ID. As you can see here, it says your profile is not yet verified, which means you have to upload your Veracity, guys. You can even change your password here. You can play around this thing and it will show you what to do. And you can see it's easy, guys. It's easy. It's easy. It's one. So guys, I'm done with Veracity. Veracity is easy, just like that. So again, let me go to, yeah, it says that just like that. I'm done with Veracity. Let me stop here.